In this video, you'll learn how to use the Food and Drink page. After logging in, on the left-hand side, you'll see a tab called Food and Drink. Clicking on this gives you access to dish-level insights. Food score is calculated between 0 to 100 and is a weighted score against the characteristics. You can find a more in-depth explanation on our knowledge base. Along the top are all your filters, so you can filter by service style and choose between food, drinks, or both. This provides full flexibility in selecting your desired time frame, service style, and venue or groups. The initial overview presents the rolled-up score for your venue, showcasing overall menu performance and compares any changes to the equivalent period before. The overview also includes the volume of dish reviews and how that has changed, along with characteristics like overall recommendation, look, taste, portion, and value. These metrics dynamically update when you dive into a specific dish or category. When you switch to the categories view, you can identify underperforming areas of the menu, such as starters or mains. If you click on the Items tab, you get a comprehensive breakdown of items on the menu, including their look, taste, portion, value, overall score, and how much these metrics have changed. This feature is particularly useful on a weekly basis for tracking significant changes in food scores. Operational teams can use it to monitor execution and consistency, while senior teams can use it to provide granular insight into de-risking menu development and pricing analysis. You can also access free text comments to identify specific issues, such as items being too salty.